What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new leaked file for OnePlus 8 series which is based on ColorOS 12 and this time it's ColorOS Close Beta 4. Previously we already made few videos on the same and this is the new update for OnePlus 8 series. Quite stable enough, so soon we might get to see Oxygen OS open betas in upcoming days or maybe in the month of Jan. So in this video let's take a look what all changes they have done on this build of ColorOS. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes on our previous video. And guys, in the morning I made a video on Oxygen OS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. And in that video I made a mistake in which I have mentioned that it's Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. But that's the stable build of Oxygen OS 12 which is being rolled out by OnePlus. So my sincere apologies for that, and this happened because of a lot of confusions because I was running Open Beta 3 and over that update I got an OTA update of stable build. That's the reason I mentioned in that video that's the Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. But that's not Oxygen OS Beta 4, that's the second stable build of Oxygen OS 12. Before starting with the changelogs, let me show you the software information here. And here you can see this is ColorOS 12 which is running on my OnePlus 8. If you tap on version, and here you can see the build number is C.07. All the download links can be found in the description below, and also you'll find the installation guide in the description. Just follow that guide and you'll be easily able to install ColorOS on your OnePlus 8 series. These are the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 913 and multi-core have scored 2811. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 6,71,511, and these scores are with normal mode, not in high performance mode. You'll get way better results if you turn on high performance mode. While running ColorOS, most users complain about the notification. So guys, if you're facing any issues with the notification from Google applications, just long press on the application, go to app info, and from here make sure you give all the necessary permissions for the notifications, because in some applications permissions are not granted automatically. And here you can see this is the changelog list. I know it's in Chinese language, but the changelogs are related to system, few applications, camera and connectivity. Talking about the first changelog which is under system, and here OnePlus have done few optimizations related to Smart Slide Bar. Smart Slide Bar can be accessed from the right side of your device where you can add applications for quick access. So here they have done few optimizations. Later they have also optimized fingerprint unlock and face unlock. And you guys will obviously feel a difference unlocking the device with face unlock or fingerprint unlock. Then they have done few fixes related to the icons. Also on this latest update of ColorOS, auto brightness seems to be optimized pretty well. On the previous update, there were a bit of charging issues, but in this update, OnePlus have mentioned that they have fixed the abnormal issues of charging. I'll update you guys in the comment section about the charging speed of the device. I've been using this latest build of ColorOS from past few hours, and I personally have noticed bit improvements in the haptic feedback. Then the next changelog is related to few applications, for example WeChat and OnePlus Community app. As per the changelogs, OnePlus users were facing black screen issues while using the Community app. But till now, I haven't faced any kind of issues with this Community app which comes pre-installed on ColorOS 12. Next changelogs are related to camera application. Here camera app version is 5.9.34. Camera app opening speed seems to be better now. Here are some of the samples which I clicked after updating the device to latest build of ColorOS, and here again I personally did not find any noticeable changes. But I'll be using my OnePlus 8 running this latest build of ColorOS, and if I found any improvements, I'll let you know guys on the Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't. And with the last changelog, OnePlus have fixed the mobile data issues. Though previous update I did not use my OnePlus 8 as a daily driver, so I'm not sure about this issue. But as you can see, I have my Jio SIM card in which calling, mobile data, everything works fine, including Wi-Fi calling services. So guys, this was a small list of changes what they have done on the latest build of ColorOS, which is a closed beta leak. You guys let me know in the comment section below whether you guys want a review on this build or not. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest update of ColorOS for OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and 8T. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.